Is Andy number one?
The little cars take advantage of the big cars. Okay, looks like everybody's out on their respective edges. We're waiting for a couple of people to get back behind the barriers. The oranges are in position.
Hey, Brett, which car is Andy in?
You gotta be good now, because there's a whole Pasco of them out there in that.
Yeah, he's driving one. The other guy
ready in the far side,
had
ready on the
two
left,
cars.
ready in the front. Count them down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't just sit there. Let somebody. Car number 42 is through there, almost alive. Trying to get down. Back to the bird. Let him jump over in the corner. Car 640 will call. Taking it from 99 and 42 through the air. Number 12 Oscar. Almost alive.
He's got a big bumper too. Wow, look at that woman go. Hey, she got Froggy. Wow, look. All these guys are tied up, man. Is it? He's a crazy New York driver.
These guys take real good care. They're not
he's hung up now.
They're out there for a good time. They're out there for the money. They're along the trophy. Big 40. Lined up. 99. Well, Oscar. Locked up. Underneath. Now you need Albany. Bobby. Coming around.
Yes.
How you put that in vision? I don't know. They get that car started. Or something. Because it's not rolling. He's just picking on everybody. from Spring Hill. You are the radiator coordinator.
Yeah, I think third.
At the Pasco
He'll get first up there. I'm going to get second, and she'll get third.
Thanks for coming out, Brett. Man, you did all right. Here's all of Keisha's artwork. She really did a good job, but she cried because her car got tore up. She was mad at Keisha for letting Mommy do that. But Anna did good. She won the first heat in the big boys class, the 8-cylinder, and then she came in third in the final heat, so she did good, man. I'm proud of her. There's a crazy drunk driver, Anna, right there from New York.
The planes, trains, and automobiles.
Oh yeah.
And it was like, so does the radio work? That's all I was thinking.
Where's Steve Martin and John
I'm
Candy?
like, the radio works perfectly fine.
She nailed her.
I actually nailed it.
All right, hop in, Keisha. You're gonna ride back with your mom.
I'm not laughing. Did you see my shirt?
Yeah.
Oh.
don't know. They wouldn't mind, right? Just having it.
Yeah, they don't mind.
I think they really care.
Yeah.
I wanted to do that whitewater rafting, but I couldn't find a way to attach the camera that I had to the helmet.
Hey,
So, come on, you're a derby mama. You're used to flying dirt. Yeah. Here they go, the Derby queens.
That was when she was backing around this way.
Wow, Lisa's driving the Derby car. There's the Derby girls. Man, Keisha, you drove the Derby car. Awesome. Way to go.